This channel racked up 1.5 million subscribers by uploading only 72 videos. But the most interesting part is that their every single video is pulling in hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. Just to prove you that this is not some old dead niche, I will open this description of their latest short, and here you can clearly see that it was uploaded just a day ago and is already going to hit 100,000 views. And their second latest video, which was uploaded just a week ago, has more than 6 million views. But if you think that this might be luck, so just look into this brand new channel with just 4,000 subscribers and 11 uploaded videos. The most shocking part: this guy uploads long-form videos, and their first ever video upload just 10 days ago has more than 400,000 views. But here's the issue: most beginners think just uploading videos is enough. They waste time on the wrong things, get no views, and eventually give up. But that won't be you. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to create a new channel the right way and upload your first professional video. But before starting, I want to show you a video that I created which is even better than what those channels are doing. Creating a new channel is very important. It's like giving yourself a new start when you create a brand new YouTube channel. The algorithm has no data on it. It doesn't know who to recommend your videos to. However, the way you train the algorithm will decide whether your channel skyrockets or stays invisible. But here's where most people go wrong. They train the algorithm the wrong way, and as a result, their videos get buried, stuck at 0 views with no way out as someone who got 4,000 views on first short and more than 10,000 on second short on my brand new channel. I know exactly what wrong you are doing. Therefore, in the next steps, I'll show you exactly how to avoid this trap and get the algorithm working in your favor. First, to create a new YouTube channel, click on the logo at top right corner, then switch accounts, then view all channels, and after that, simply click on create a new channel. You can take advice of ChatGPT in coming up with a YouTube channel name by telling GPT that you make unreal cat story videos, and you are looking for a good and unique name for your YouTube channel. This is the most easiest method to come up with unique and easy to remember names for your channel without wasting any time. But wait, when the channel is created, we need to decorate it to make it look professional and leave a long-lasting impression on our audience. So first, we will make our channel logo. For that, we will provide GPT with a prompt. I designed this prompt in a specific way so that whenever you provide this prompt to GPT, it will write you prompts for different types of classy and attractive logo descriptions, which you can use to make your channel logo in a single click. Guys, to make things easier for you, I listed a lot of prompts that we will be using today. These prompts will make your workflow 10x faster and easier. I racked up all these prompts in a Google document, and you can easily access this Google document from the prompt channel in my Discord, and it's completely free. Besides prompts, I have a large community of active creators helping each other out. Also, I have arranged a list of free AI tools to get you started with your YouTube journey, and I don't charge anything for all this. I will provide the link to my Discord in the description of this video. Coming back to GPT, so we will simply pick a logo description that GPT provided us, and I will just paste the description in GPT once again. It will craft our channel logo for us within a few seconds. GPT literally has top-notch image results. Just see it for yourself. In case you don't like the logo, you can utilize other prompts and make a logo of your choice. For the banner, I also have another prompt. We will just provide GPT with a prompt for getting image descriptions for our banner as well, just like we did for the logo. In the same way, we will pick one of the banner descriptions that GPT provides us. But here's the catch. After you paste the banner description in GPT, don't forget to write horizontal format at the end. Otherwise, GPT will make the image in a 1:1 ratio format. By writing horizontal format at the end, GPT will create a full-size image suitable for a YouTube banner, and the results will be remarkable. In the final step, we will ask GPT to provide us with an SEO-optimized description for our YouTube channel as well. Make sure you also mention the channel name you picked so GPT creates an SEO-driven description specifically for your channel. So guys, we have all the materials ready, so we will just head to YouTube Studio and then go to customization. Here, we will first upload our channel banner and then upload our channel logo as well. Confirm the logo as well. Finally, Let's head back to GPT, simply copy the description and paste it into your channel's description section. And here we go. Our channel is fully ready. We will just publish the changes. Now, I don't know why you are in such a hurry. If I just post my video right now on this new channel, it will definitely get stuck at 0 views. So just give the algorithm some time to recognize your channel. But to make that happen, you just need to use the channel normally. Watch videos, leave likes, comment, and just use it like a regular account for at least 3 days before posting your first short. By combining this with the strategies I will tell you next, I guarantee that your short will get views. After channel creation, it's time for video creation. And our first step in video creation is to write a script so good that people just keep watching again and again. This time, we will be doing something no guru has ever tried, so just watch and learn. First of all, we need good video ideas for our videos, and for that, I have made a prompt. We cannot go with that old-fashioned cat cooking style because it's already been used by many. We will do something that provides us with genuine results. This prompt is super specific. Once you read it, you will completely understand. This prompt basically commands GPT to provide us with video ideas where a cat is living life like a human and doing crazy stuff, not just cooking in the kitchen. You can pick any video idea that looks good enough. Next, we will use our main prompt, which is for writing our script. Just copy-paste your video topic in the brackets. But what I did here is design the prompt in a way that, instead of a boring regular script, GPT will provide you with scenes in sequence. The best part is that all of these scenes will have proper character consistency, because I have heard people facing character consistency issues. That's why I solved this issue for you. So now we have the story and prompt in a single place, with no need for the confusion of creating image prompts separately. Once this part is done, it's time to head toward our actual main part, image creation and animation. For this, I tried multiple AI tools and found the best one for you, Magic Hour AI. This AI tool has multiple built-in features like text-to-image and image-to-video. The reason I recommend this tool is that I use it myself and the results are top-notch. Just create your account using Gmail, and once you land on the interface, you'll see tons of options like text-to-image, text-to-video, image-to-video, lip-syncing, and many more. First, go to the text-to-image feature. The interface is very simple, but don't be deceived by its simplicity. It's actually very powerful. First, head back to GPT, copy your first scene, and paste it here. You might be wondering why there are no image models to select. Well, that's the best part. You can simply write the name of the image model next to your image prompt, and Magic Hour will generate the image in that style. For example, if I write anime style and select a 9:16 ratio, the format for YouTube Shorts, then set the number of images to 4, Magic Hour will generate them in a few seconds. The results are impressive. However, for our videos, we will go with a 3D cartoon style because it suits our niche the most. So just replace anime style with 3D cartoon style and check out the results. They're outstanding. Simply download your image, but before animating it, there's another step to ensure the highest possible quality. Head to the Image Upscale feature. Upload your image. Select 4x. Set the enhancement style to Creative and hit Generate. This step will turn your images into full 4K, making them so high quality that viewers will be forced to watch the video multiple times. This will boost your retention and swipe ratio, making it easier for you to blow up. Just see the quality difference for yourself. The colors and details are massively improved. Now for the final step, go to the Image to Video feature in Magic Hour. Upload your upscaled image. And in the prompt section where you need to write the scene, simply copy and paste the same prompt you used for creating the image. Turn on the highest quality option for accurate animation and generate your video. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes to generate, so in the meantime, you can generate the rest of the images. After waiting for 5 minutes, your animation will be ready. Just take a look at the final result. It's so good. Follow the same process to animate all your images. Once all the material is gathered, open your editing software and import everything. Since we don't have a voiceover, assembling the clips will be easy. Just place them in sequence as our video is already structured. We just need to put the clips together and do a little bit of editing. First, go to Transitions and drag and drop the black fade transition as it gives a cinematic, calm, and professional vibe. Click Apply to all clips and the transition will be automatically added. I prefer CapCut because it makes everything super quick. Now for effects, play around with them, but don't overcomplicate things. Our clips are already in 4K quality, so unless an effect is necessary, don't add it. Next, we move on to sound effects, which add an emotional and realistic feel to the video, especially in the absence of a voiceover. forever. They also help with monetization. CapCut has built-in sound effects, but if you can't find the right one, try Pixabay. Just be mindful. Only use sound effects where needed. Overloading them might irritate the viewer. Finally, add background music that suits the scene. Try out different tracks, replay the video multiple times, and pick the one that enhances the overall vibe. And that's it. Your video is ready. Now in our final step, we will simply upload our video on our channel the right way for a new channel. Algorithm has no data if you warm up your channel as I mentioned in the starting. And while uploading your video, if you carefully SEO your shorts, they will definitely get views for SEO. We will use GPT. I have a prompt for SEO part as well. With the help of this prompt, you will have multiple titles that are short yet eye-catchy. You will have multiple titles to go with, and you will also get tags and hashtags. Never do the mistake of writing description for shorts, so just paste the title in your video and then listen carefully. You need to write 2 to 3 hashtags in your title to avoid 0 views. Issue first hashtag that alone will solve your 0 views. Hashtag shorts must include this tag in your title. It will help algorithm figure out that this is short form content. If your video format gets unrecognized by the algorithm and about second and third tag, you can choose one that GPT provides you, and then in description copy paste all the tags that GPT provided you, and then simply scroll down, and in the tag section simply copy paste all the tags that GPT provided you and for the short category, so it can be both entertainment or pets and animals. You can select any one, and just like this, you have correctly SEO optimized your short and given YouTube algorithm all the important data that it needs to find your audience. And for the upload time, I suggest you upload your shorts anywhere between 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. because that is the ideal time, guys. This video actually made me sick because of working day and night, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a like.